Hello ka-Infinity, it's Jassel Jean and welcome to my channel. Today I'm here in Cartagena, Spain. Come along with me and let's explore together. One day lang kami dito sa Cartagena. Dadaan lang kami sa road papuntang Caribbean area. Pero grabe, ang ganda pala niya. Hindi siya kasing sikat ng Barcelona o Madrid pero dami niyang kwento at charm. Parang babalik sa ibang panahon. Tara, ikutin natin siya. Habang naglalakad kami dito sa Cartagena, ewan ko, ang ganda niya. Parang halo-halo siya, may bagong parts na tapos bigla ka may makikita ang sobrang luma ng building. By the way, may mga spots dito na UNESCO Heritage like yung Roman Theater at ilan sa mga historic na quarters. Kung may chance kayo pumunta, tip lang, magdala ng comfortable shoes kasi medyo may bato-bato at cobblestone streets. At kung may init, huwag kalimutan ng tubig. Naglalakad lang kami kung saan-saan, dire-diretso lang. Ang sarap maglakad. Minsan mapapahinto ka kasi may spot na ang ganda. Para sa mga gustong magpicture, try pumunta early morning or late afternoon para hindi masyadong crowded at maganda yung ilaw. Syempre, napapaisip pa nga ako kung ano siguro itsura nito dati, no? Pero at the same time, chill lang siya ngayon. Dito lang kami nakadak sa port area. Ang peaceful lang, hindi siya sobrang crowded, kaya mas na-enjoy namin yung moment. Grabe, it's amazing. Grabe, ang ganda dito. Gwapo pa ng kasama ko. Take a look.
Hey,
Oh,
hello.
diba?
Nice to see you.
Tapos, naghanap kami ng makainan. Siyempre, kasi gusto namin itry ang local food ng Spain. At napunta kami. So, this is the place. So, we are going to eat here inside. Sa loob kami pumesto. Cozy siya. May local vibe. Buhay na buhay. Hindi ka maiilang.
Usually when we are with people that speak very fast in English, I don't understand much. There's no. Cheers.
Cheers. This chicken, no? With a kind of bread. It's parang adobo, ah. Nag-order kami ng beer na 1906. Hindi ko siya kilala. Syempre, kailangan natin mag-explore. Akala ko normal lang, pero iba siya. Medyo matapang kaysa usual beer. Pero smooth, may konting toasted at caramelish flavor. Parang pang-sour siya. Uupo ka lang at i-enjoy yung bawat sip. So right now, I'm walking through the old town and every corner feels like a piece. Yay! Look at it. Yung food, simple lang, pero masarap. Nom-nom, yummy. Yung chicken, parang adobo. Typical tapas. Hindi siya bida, pero bagay sa beer. Tapos yung tinapay, crispy at mainit. Perfect na snack habang nag-chill ka. Ewan ko, yung simple lang ng ganitong bagay, minsan mas okay. Wala siyang kaarte-arte, pero kumpleto yung experience. Habang umiinom kami at kumakain, mas na-appreciate ko yung araw na yun. Ang vibe ng Cartagena, ang food, ang chill moment, grabe. Swak na swak. One day lang kami dito pero sobrang meaningful ng experience. Minsan hindi mo kailangang pumunta sa pinakasikat na lugar para ma-enjoy ang travel. Doon lumalabas yung magic sa tahimik at hindi masyadong kilalang spots. Isa rin ito sa mga small moments na hindi mo makakalimutan. Next year, babalikan ko tong lugar na to. Okay, so I'm with a handsome guy from where?
From Ecuador. For
Ecuador.
sure.
What is your name?
My name is Emerson. Yeah.
Yeah. And what before you come to work in abroad, what is your job before?
My job before, I was working as a bartender in land, but here in
Oh.
ships is very different, very awesome. You know a lot of different people, very beautiful, like
yeah.
she. So
Oh yeah, amazing.
yeah, nice to see you.
That's my little adventure here in Cartagena, Spain. Grabe, ang ganda talaga ng city. Full of history and vibes. If you're in Cartagena, Spain, don't miss their local beers. Grabe. mag-enjoy talaga kayo. And of course, if you love exploring the world as much as I do, don't forget to subscribe, comment, share with friends and family, and hit that notification bell to stay updated on my next videos. Bye! Ciao, Cartagena, Spain. Until next time.
Hey, what you doing? All good?
Okay, all good. So let's go. That's the
go
end
back
of the
to
day.
work.
Back to work. Pogi.
Yay!
Yay.
All good?
All good.
for sure.
Very nice here, but my God, it's amazing.
You know, the Ecuadorian people are always amazing.
Yeah, and the place.
Yeah, for